I wanted to try one without paying for it. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is day 3 of November. We're in November. November 2018 box week. Wow, that was kind of awkward. I was like, day 3 of what? Of what? November 2018 box week. So, if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, hi, welcome, I'm Drew, and if you want to be a part of this crazy experience all the time, just hit the red subscribe button. Oh, jeez. Oh, God. Oh, crap. I'm going to mess this up. Okay, I need to stop trying to be cute and just get real into business. So if you're brand new, you're joining us during box week, which is the best week every month on my YouTube channel, because the 1 week every month me and my YouTube subscribers spend 7 consecutive days together. You're catching us on day 3. Basically, I open up all my subscription boxes. We hang out. We have a new video every single day for 7 days straight. So if you want to be part of that, hit the red subscribe button and join our forever family, because we're literally the best crew around, because anyone and everyone can meet our crew. I don't even know if I said any of that right. I don't think any of that was how I was supposed to say it. So that's just where we're at today. Alright, so tonight we're going to be putting more items into our stockpile giveaway, which is right here. Basically, this is a box of goodies that we fill up. I think it's the 5th or 6th one we've done on my channel. I don't think I'm going to keep counting anymore. We're just doing a new one. So what that is I take items from my subscription box, I keep some of the items, I give some of them away. Once the box is full, we will host a giveaway on my channel. And hopefully it'll be full by Christmas so we can do an awesome, like, Christmas giveaway box. So tonight we're going to be opening up the Allure Beauty Box. Allure Beauty is a $15 monthly subscription from the curators of Allure Magazine. I actually really started to like this box a lot. When it first started out, it was kind of weird. Sometimes you get a good box, sometimes you get an okay box, sometimes you get a not great box. So it's been a little bit of a rocky ride, but overall I think it's been pretty good lately. So I'm going to try and get the seal off of this. I don't know why. I feel like I should be able to open things that are plastic, but apparently not. Apparently it's a teachable moment for me and my inabilities, so I don't know. Alright, so I'm opening this up. Alright, on the top they have this cute little magazine. Every month they have one of these. It tells you about the stuff that's inside of your box, which I always think is a really nice touch that they have with this box. I don't know why, I just think it's a nice little touch there. Alright, so the first that we have, oh my god. Oh, I need this! It's a Coco Star Rose Lip Mask. Oh my god, look at that. Could you imagine me with a red lipstick like that? Yeah, probably. I actually needed a lip mask. I bought some. They haven't been working out, and my lips are struggling because of all of the extreme weather shifts here in Wisconsin. So is my skin. So I'm excited that I got that. I actually was thinking to myself, I was like, I hope during box week I get a lip mask, because I need a lip mask right now. And look, I got a lip mask! Oh my gosh! So the next item that we have is Invisible Bauble, the Traceless Hair Ring Original. So these are like those little clear hair springy ringy thingies, hair rings. I'm gonna put this in the giveaway box. I have a lot of hair ties. I don't need any more hair ties right now, so I'm gonna put that in the giveaway box. All right, the next item that we have is, ooh, Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask. I have wanted to try one of these watermelon masks. So I've never bought one of the watermelon masks because I don't really like watermelon. But I wanted to try one without paying for it. Does that make sense? You know what I mean? When you see something, you're like, I want to try that. But I don't want to invest money in it because I don't really like watermelon. And I understand I'm not going to be eating the watermelon, but it's still like the whole like principle of thing, because I don't like watermelon. So I'm not going to buy something that's watermelon. But I got something that's watermelon! I'm on 11 right now. I did drink a cup of Nespresso coffee before filming this. I should have probably led with that. So that's where all this coming from. So there you know. There you go. Just, you know, wow, okay. That was a lot. Oh my god, this box is slaying my life. Seriously, they have, oh, this box is so good. Oh my god. They have the Pathology Flash Patch Under Eye Gels. You guys, like, everything I need right now. I feel like Allure has been looking in on Drew and they're like, man, those under eyes looking tough. Her skin, even tougher. Those lips, oh! So they just like sent me all this stuff that I needed. I feel bad that not really anything's going in the giveaway box, but I like need the stuff because I'm like, my skin is struggling right now. So I'm sorry that I'm not I'm sorry that I'm getting items that like actually in keeping. I don't know, I feel it's weird. I know, you guys tell me I should keep more stuff, but I still like, I love putting stuff in there, so it's like I'm conflicted. Wow, hopefully maybe the next, I don't know, what else do we have in here? All right, next thing that we have is, seriously, this box is insane. Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. Okay, this is a Glam Glow Mud Clearing Treatment. Glam Glow is amazing. I've actually used this mask a few different times before. I'm actually gonna put this into the giveaway box. I do currently have some Glam Glow in my possession, so I'm actually putting something in the giveaway box. Jeez Louise, I feel terrible. Seriously, I'm sorry that I've been keeping so much. So yeah, so that's in the giveaway box. All right, next thing we have is, ooh, Pearl Brightening Face Mask from Lapkus. I'm actually gonna put this in the giveaway box too. I've tried this one a few different times before. This is a really, really great mask. Just so you guys know, if you have a Costco near you, you can actually get a 12 pack, or maybe it's 8 to 10 pack. I don't know, you get a lot of these Lapkus masks for like 12 bucks from Costco right now. So make sure you go and get that. This is gonna go in the giveaway box as well. I've tried that mask before. No. Oh my God, are you serious? Star Skin Magic Hour Exfoliating Foot Mask Socks. Okay, I thought it was a face mask at first. So Star Skin, I wanted to try Star Skin forever. This is like the box of my life. Oh my God. You guys know how I am about like skincare, so I was just like, what is going on? It's like they were like, let's just take a second and think about what Drew's wish list might be and then send it to her. And I was like, oh my God, you guys. And this was $15, like this whole box. I'm freaking out. So I think that's everything in here finally, after I just had a colossal like freak out meltdown. So to recap, we got the Lapkus Pearl Brightening Mask. This is gonna go right into our giveaway box. A really, really, really great skincare mask. Anything Pearl is always great because it's gonna really illuminate your skin and give you just a really nice brightness tone, which like shines through your makeup. If you're doing a no makeup day, Pearl masks are amazing for that. The Glam Glow Super Mud Mask. This stuff is thebomb.com. It'll seriously like fix your face, it'll fix your life, fix all the problems you got going on. I'm putting this in the giveaway box too. We got the Bauble hair rings. Those are going into the giveaway box as well. We got these Star Skin Magic Hour Exfoliating Foot Masks, which I'm excited to try. I've always wanted to try Star Skin Beauty, so this is amazing. We got the Watermelon Jelly Sheet Mask that I never wanted to buy, but I wanted to try. So I'm like, well, look at that, boom. Which I don't mean that like kind of like snotty, just like really excited about it. Okay, the Rose Lip Mask, which again, I need a lip mask. And then we got the Pathology Flash Patch Under Eye Gels. Actually, Helicopter Mom loves these too. She's probably gonna be like, what'd you get? She's actually gonna be mad that she does not subscribe to Allure this month because Helicopter Mom has gotten big into the face mask game. And so she's gonna be like, are you serious? You go outside and be like, yeah. You should have subscribed, but you know, whatever. So this box is absolutely amazing. I am so impressed. That was a long so. Like I was like, cut it off. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys today, but I'm gonna set this to the side because like I'm gonna drop it because I'm like too excited after that coffee. I was just like, yeah! That's what I have for you guys today, but if you wanna see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at JustLikeDrew, spelled the same way it is down below. If you wanna be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our family because we are literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you wanna see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 4 of Box Week. All right, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye. Goodbye. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?